Similar to updating data, there are circumstances in which you may want to delete data from a table. For example, when you receive the population data for all countries next year, you may want to delete all the data in this table and insert the new data so that there are no duplicates. Also, you may want to delete individual records because they're no longer relevant or you have added them incorrectly. SQL offers a delete statement to do this. It starts with the keyword delete, followed by the from clause, and then the table name from which the data needs deleting. You can optionally add a where clause to filter specific records to be deleted. Where clause here is optional, but please be careful that delete statement without a where clause will delete all the records in the table. Let's take a practical example. Let's say we want to delete the record for the country Russia from our population table. As we said, we need to write the delete statement and specify the table name as population in the from clause. We also need the where clause as we are deleting just the record for Russia, and the where condition will be country equals Russia. When you execute this statement, the record relates to Russia in the population table will be removed. I just want to reiterate that, as we said before, if we omit the where clause, every single record in the population table will be deleted. So please be mindful of that. Let's now switch over to the SQL Studio and I'll show you this in action. Here we are in the SQL Studio. Let me demonstrate deleting data from a table. And as we discussed, let's delete one record from our table and let's take the country as Russia. So in order to do that, we start with the keyword delete, and then we need the keyword from, and we specify the name of the table. In our case, it's population, and we need the where clause, and in the where clause, we specify the condition as country equals Russia because that's the record we are planning to delete. And if I execute this statement, it should delete the record for Russia. So let me execute that first. And as you can see, one row has been affected in the status here. Let's confirm that by running a select statement in our table. So I'm going to simply run select star from population. And let me execute this statement. And I should only see 9 records here now. As you can see, we've got 9 records in our output, and Russia is missing from the list because we've deleted it. And let me also demonstrate what happens when you delete from a table without a where condition. So I'm simply going to remove the where condition from here, and that'll delete every single record from the table. So I'm going to simply run that. And as you can see, it says the number of records affected is 9. And if I run the select from the table, I've got no records in the output, and we just have the column names listed here. So as I said before, please be careful when you're running delete statements. Make sure to use the where condition where it is appropriate. That's the end of this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.